What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing Uber Eats and DoorDash. My Uber Eats is on, but DoorDash gave me this. So they want me to read this whole thing before I start my dash. Like, that keeps going. Did you read all of this? I don't know any dasher that sat there and read it, but I'm just going to click I read it and I agree. Maybe I'll look into it later, but be honest, let me know if you actually read that or if you just did the same thing I did. I'm on Uber Eats and DoorDash. It is Friday evening. Usually when I make the most money is Friday and Sunday evenings. So, yeah, I'm just gonna take you along with me while I do some orders until dark. I have Solo tracking my mileage. I've talked about it all the time on my channel. I'm sure you've heard any other gig content creator talking about the Solo app because it links with your DoorDash, Uber Eats, Amazon, so many more apps. It has so many perks, and one of them being guaranteed earnings. So if you don't know what that is, I'll leave it linked below. It does come with a $10 bonus into your Solo account when you link a active gig account and either your Venmo or your PayPal, because that's how they're gonna pay you the $10, and then whatever guaranteed earnings that you earn through the app. So I'll just leave all that linked down below. Both of these apps are really quiet, so I'll let you guys know when I get my first order. Alright, I got a Subway order, but the weird thing is, it's saying it's like a quarter mile down the road. This is the only Subway around here, so it has a drive-thru also. I like this one because I could just slide up through the drive-thru. Okay. I got a DoorDash order for Eric. Alright, thank you. Thanks. Leave at door, no knocking. Alright, we are heading to Pomodoro Pizza. I'm getting a +827, 2.3 miles. I'm gonna accept that. It's at a different restaurant, it looks like. Head like almost to where this customer is, so sweet. That's gonna be a really nice payout. It's pizza and garlic knots. He tried to hand me the pizza and say, have a good day. I'm like, there's garlic knots with this? He's like, oh yeah. All right, next. I don't like this. I didn't pay attention.
Up at Sara, right one Korean barbecue and sushi, Brandon.
Okay. Oh, I know where that is. Okay. All right, we're gonna head over there for one item. So while I'm heading to the second customer for this stacked Uber Eats order, the first customer cannot watch where I'm going. Like, they don't see me on the map. They just know that I'm picking up another order. And then when I'm heading to the first person will be able to see me turn by turn as I head to their house. But the second person won't be able to see anything until the first person's dropped off. And then I'm heading to the second person. So they know I'm picking up from another restaurant for another customer, but they don't see where the house is of the other customer, if that makes sense. I really hope this is ready because I got that pizza sitting in my car. Hi, picking up Uber Eats for Chandler. Chandler. Thank you. I got the goods. The pizza's going 1.4 miles away and it's a leave at door, just how I like it. As I was passing this McDonald's, I got an order. It's only going 1 mile, so we're gonna bust this one out. Hey, I didn't have to wait as long as I usually do. I don't know why there's like a purse sitting right there. It's probably empty.
Sorry.
Hi. I seen you just mopped, so.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Alright, I was passing McDonald's again and we got another order. This one's going like 2 miles from here. The purse is still there. Excuse me. All right, that dang trip radar popped up. This order is like almost 10 miles. It's a double order. I got to get out of both of them. This little exclamation mark right here, you click it. Both names pop up. You click a name. What's the issue? Basically push anything and it's going to cancel the, like, unassign it. It's gonna unassign it. I gotta do the same thing for this second one. Basically unassign it. That's gonna be a no as well. So with doing a lot of good Uber Eats orders also comes declining like 20 orders between them. So that's just something I gotta deal with. All right, we have a barbecue order. I've never picked up at this place before. I'm picking up for Corey.
They're finishing it.
Okay.
Corey?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. All right, perfect timing. 8:50 for 4 miles out the Portillo's. Right, I just filmed a video about safety and something that happened in my neck of the woods, so I felt like it was worth talking about. I don't know if that video will be up before or after this one, but definitely check it out just for like a little reminder on how to stay safe, because we're very vulnerable when we're out here picking up strangers' food, going up to strangers' doors. Like, we need to keep ourselves safe. I don't think I pushed record or else my thing turned off. I just changed the battery. So anyways, it was leave at door, do not ring the bell. So I was very quiet. I'm at $53 on Uber Eats. That's without the last tip. It was, I think the base pay, yeah, the base pay was $4. So, and then the one order, oh my god, I'm just like, I'm starving, you guys. I gotta go home. And then the one order on DoorDash, let's see, I did an order on DoorDash, right? Yeah, and then I did the one order on DoorDash, which was $9. So in about a little less than 3 hours, I made $60 something, which is good. You probably can't tell, but it is about to be dark soon. I don't deliver at dark, and I don't deliver close to my area. I do like a little drive to get to this area, so I gotta do that little drive to get back, and then it'll be dark. So I'm gonna end this video here. Nothing really crazy happened. I hope I gave you some delivery motivation. That's what I look for when I watch videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.